Fiber array FA is widely used in PLCs, AWGs, MEMS systems, and multi-channel optical modules. With the surge in data traffic, the demand for fiber arrays is rapidly growing in data centers and 5G networks. FA is also seeing broader applications in optical communications, MEMS systems, sensors, and silicon photonics. Mount FA enables parallel transmission in optical transceivers. It supports QSFP, QSFP+, QSFP-28, QSFP-DD, OSFP, CXP, CFP, and CDFP. AWG offers high integration and low insertion loss. It is used for multiplexing and demultiplexing optical signals, widely applied in 100G high-speed optical modules. As optical module speeds continue to increase, higher precision is required for FA design and manufacturing. FA is becoming an essential core component in high-speed optical communications.